Getting started with 15.7, we have logarithmic and exponential equations and change of base. We'll get started with change of base here. I wrote up the change of base formula here, and it says that if you have log base a of b, that we can change that to this x is any base logarithm with x greater than 0. And it kind of changes into this form here. And for a little practice to prove that this works, we're just going to use a numerical example and some practice using your calculator. So hopefully you have a calculator similar to this one. It's the TI-84, and I'll be referencing it a little bit. Okay, so this used to not be able to be done on the calculator with this log base 5. But now they've added that feature to the graphing calculator, and you can do any base logarithm. It's kind of hidden to do that, so you want to make sure that you take your calculator and if you push this math button here, and I've kind of written what buttons you should push up here. You push the math button, and then you hit the up arrow 2 times. And remember, this part of your calculator here is kind of your steering wheel, and so you're going to push the up arrow a couple times. That will get you to something that says log base, and it has a parenthesis there. And what you'll do is you'll highlight that, and you'll hit enter. And you can look this up on other YouTube videos on how to use your graphing calculator to do logarithms. But and you'll get this template here, and then what you'll do is you'll just type your 5 in here. And you type your 100 in here. Okay, so that's just doing it because now calculators can do this base logarithm. But prior to the new firmware update on the calculator, your calculator could only do base 10 logarithm and base e logarithm. So we had to use this change of base here. And so I would like you to try this one on your calculator, and try to enter this on your calculator, and try to enter this on your calculator, and you'll see that for all those you'll get this same answer here. Okay, so I kind of put the steps here. You'll hit alpha y equals, that gets you this fraction template, alpha y equals enter, and then you can go ahead and type in log of 100, and then on the bottom here you're going to type in log of 5. Remember, we don't have to put the that's a common logarithm, so we don't have to put the 10 on there. And you do that problem, you'll see you'll get the same answer as this one. Okay, and then here is just showing if you change it to log base e, and you can do the same steps basically as here, but you're going to put ln of 10 here, and you're going to put ln of 5 here. Okay, so yeah, try those out. You should be able to work towards this answer. This would be taking this base 5 logarithm, changing it to a base 10 logarithm, getting the same result, and changing it to a base e logarithm or the natural logarithm, and to get the same result. Okay, but you should be able to use this feature on your calculator.